Napaka-Pinoy talaga niya dahil meron na siyang delay. Hi, estate owners! I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. And for today's touring, we are here at Park McKinley West, our newest project, here at Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. And I'm excited to show you our 2-bedroom unit with gorgeous view. So let's start. Upon entering to your unit, so i-highlight ko muna yung ating main door. So yung ating main door is, meron siyang smart lock set from Philips. You can open this through key card, PIN code, or through your fingerprint. Start muna tayo dito. So ito yung provision ng ating fridge. And we have complete set of cabinets here. So yung cabinet natin is sobrang aesthetic din. Upgrade na siya ni Mega Worlds. Ito is soft close din siya lahat. Yan. So papansin nyo. We have here your range hood from Ariston. And of course, we have 4 induction cooker from Ariston. Sobrang tipid din ito sa kuryente. And for this one, we also have here your oven. So sa mga mahilig mag-bake dyan. And ang gusto ko dito is open yung kitchen niya. Sobrang spacious din kung magluluto kayo. Meron din tayo ditong, syempre yung ating retractable faucet. So kung mag-gus kayo ng pinggan, mas madali na siya. And of course, yung ating stainless steel sink is from Frank. And dito rin, so pwede kayong maglagay ng mga like mini bar dito. Pwede kayong maglagay ng high chairs. Yan, sobrang lawak niya. Sobrang spacious ng ating unit. By the way, this is 106 square meters. We also have intercom. If you are new to my channel, so ito is naka-connect na siya sa lobby. If you have visitors or parcel, makikita nyo sila dito for your security. Dito naman is our spacious maid's room. So, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng bunk bed for your maids. And nandito na rin yung ating provision for your washer and dryer. Hindi nila malilimutang maglaba kasi pag gising pa lang nila makikita na agad nila yung washing machine. Kung gusto niyo rin na natural ventilation, napakaganda dahil meron na siyang bintana dito. And of course, they also have their own tiny toilet and bath. So, pakita lang natin ng context. Now, let's proceed to your living area. Here is your spacious living area. Napaka-maaliwalas niya dahil nasa higher floor tayo ngayon. Dito, pwede nyong ilagay yung inyong dining table, approximate for me, so 5 to 6 seater. Kung 8 seater, for tingin ko pwede pa siya. And of course, your living area. Here, pwede nyong ilagay yung inyong television dito. And kung gusto niya rin maglagay pa ng sofa or an end table, pwede pa siya. So, sobrang ganda nito. And of course, yung ating floor dito is made up of ceramic tiles. And ang taas din ng ceiling natin. Ito yung ating gorgeous na balcony. Straight siya. Pati yung ating bedroom, so may access siya sa ating balcony. Napakaganda ng view niya, guys. Grabe. Kayo maglagay pa rin ng table dito sa inyong balcony dahil malawak siya. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, kita nyo yung McKinley Hill, greenish view, na may view tayo ng Laguna de Bay, di ba? So, imagine ito yung makikita nyo every morning. Pati yung pool, kita rin siya dito, guys. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga. Let us proceed to the bedroom area. And by the way, guys, we also have split type aircon here. Inverter na siya. Fully fitted na siya, guys. So, need nyo na lang is furnitures and other appliances. Now, let's proceed to your first bedroom. So, here is your first bedroom. Of course, you have the same view or gorgeous view here. Yan, sobrang ganda niya. Here in your first bedroom, it can fit a queen-size bed. And the floor here is made up of ceramic wood planks. And may sarili na rin siyang inverter, aircon, and 3-door built-in cabinet, guys. So, ang ganda niya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang aesthetic talaga ng mga cabinets dito. Even sa ating kitchen. Mapansin nyo, dito sa ating lights, dito sa ating toilet and bath, so motion censored na yung lights niya, and floor to ceiling ang ating tiles. Meron tayo dito holder, meron na tayong towel holder, and of course, we also have your rain shower here. So, diba? Sobrang modern talaga lahat ng deliverables dito, and complete na rin yung ating sanitary fittings. So, napakaganda. So, syempre, napaka-Pinoy talaga niya dahil meron na siyang delay. Ay! Ano may isang may sabay? Ay! Diba, hindi ako marunong. Naalala pa ako ng... So, ayan, nabasa pa tayo, guys, dahil tinry natin yung... So, para sa vlog, guys, okay lang mabasa. Okay. And then, nandito na naman tayo sa ating master's bedroom. So, dito naman kasya yung ating king-size bed. Sobrang spacious niya. So, pwede pa kayo maglagay dito, guys, ng side table. Pag gagising nyo, gusto nyo mag-work, yan, go, nandito na dahil napakalawak niya, guys. And of course, we also have, again, your 4 built-in cabinets here. Sarili na rin siyang toilet and bath. So, we have a total of 3 toilet and bath for your 2 bedrooms. Meron ulit siyang bintana dito kung gusto niyo ng natural ventilation. Yan, and complete sanitary fittings na rin siya, guys. Okay, so sobrang ganda nito. It's also a corner unit, guys. So, kaya napakaganda. That's the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed our condo tour today. And if you have any inquiries, feel free to message me on the details shown on your screen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video for more condo tour. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Thank you for watching. Bye!